Hey, this is Kyle Crawford with Air Power. Today, we're in one of our warehouses in High Point, North Carolina. We're gonna go grab the new Ingersoll Rand QC clutch tool and do an unboxing. Come, let's grab one. Let's go. Now that we have our tool, we're here to do an unboxing of the QC screwdriver. So inside the box, once you open it, right on top, you will find the Ingersoll Rand certificate of calibration. So these tools are calibrated to ISO 5393 standards. Followed by your instruction manual. And then the QC screwdriver. So the QC screwdriver is a clutch tool. So it's a mechanical clutch that has a clutch cover. It does have this set screw preventing operators from opening the clutch cover and adjusting the torque easily. This model here is a 1/4 inch quick change. We have forward and reverse. And then this tool does give you an indication of good or bad rundowns. Also in the box, this is your clutch tool cover. So this tool not only protects the tool itself, but it also protects your part should you accidentally hit the part or bump it while in operation. And lastly, this is your clutch adjustment screwdriver to be utilized to fix the mechanical clutch. When adding power to this tool, you'll see that it has a really robust light ring on the front of the tool that also gives visual indication of a green good or a red bad. So the operator can visually run down and get an image displayed on the part for an indication of a green rundown or red bad rundown. It also visually indicates on the back of the tool for a good rundown or a bad rundown, as well as the audible alarms which you're hearing. This tool is not only available in a pistol orientation, it's also available in right angle. This is the right angle 30 Newton meter option. Utilizes the same battery platform. It has the same visual indicator light on the front, as well as indicator lights on the back of the tool for the operator. And this tool model here, I've already removed the clutch set screw so that you can see the mechanical clutch inside that can be adjusted with the screwdriver that comes in the box. So that's the QC clutch screwdriver. We have them in stock here at Air Power. We're available for demo. Let's get out and do it.